Hello again, everyone. Welcome back to the Crafty Crow Show. Today's episode, we're doing restoration. Not any restoration is the biggest restoration project I've ever attempted. We had a friend and a subscriber named Stanley Roark. He sent us his family heirloom Hot Blast number 60 blower from Belknap Tools. Belknap was a Louisville-based company based right here in Kentucky, and they sold a lot of tools, including the tool line Bluegrass Tools, which I do collect. So I was excited when I got this thing and seeing where it come from. This blower, forge blower, belonged to his great-grandfather. Now, he don't have a lot of history when it come, but he does know his great-grandfather was a great blacksmith. So this has been a family heirloom that they've kept, and he's asked if we could restore it here on the channel. This thing is huge, as you can see. We're going to do the best we can to get it restored for him and get it back into working order and something that his family can enjoy for years to come. So, might be a couple part series because, like I said, this is the biggest thing I've ever done. Let's see what we can do. Let's get tore into it and get right into the video. Stick with us, guys. This is going to be fun. So I've been waiting to break into this thing and was going to do it with you, but I couldn't help myself. Absolutely couldn't. So I've already took the screws out of the cap and pulled this off so we could see inside. And as you can probably see, this thing's pretty cruddy looking, but I don't think it's passed. Now, it is locked up, the gear's moving, so, you know, we're gonna have to get into it and find out what's going on here. But that's the view of the inside. First thing we're gonna do is try to get off the stand so we can get the blower up on the bench and start breaking into it so we can figure out what's going on inside. Here we go. So as you can see, we're struggling a little bit. I don't know how these shafts come out. I'm going to sit here and look at it for a little bit and see if I can figure out what it is. If nothing else, I'll clean all that, just spin it around. It is spinning now. I mean, it's spinning rough because it's got all the rust on it, but rather than tear it all to pieces, we're going to leave it alone if we have to. Because I'd much rather do that than destroy it, because I sure don't want to destroy it. As you can tell, I've messed with it some more. I can't get that off and I ain't screwing it up. So I don't know that there's bearings or anything in this. Like I said, I don't know what age it is. I'm sure there is. Looks like there's maybe some keyways in there that I have no idea how to get out. So what we're going to do is going to take all this stuff out, wash it off, scrub it down real good, and then we'll coat it with some light oil when we're done. Let it dry out really good so we don't get any rust. Let's put it on the bucket. Let's get outside. So the good news, this thing has set so much oil on it over the years, it's still beating water off of it. But I think that's got the biggest bulk of the stuff off. So now we'll take it in where it can dry and we'll get the wire brush to it.